What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Lexus NX450H remote key fob. This Lexus NX450H key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and if we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. And if you notice, this key has a little bit of a lip on it. So what I'm going to do is take my key, push it in that notch, make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then I'm just going to twist the key like I'm opening a lock. And as I do that, you can see it splits the case apart. Go ahead and pull the back off. Then we can see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to use my key to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of this holder. Once we get the old battery out, I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck this edge in first like this, then snap it down into place. Then we can snap the two halves back together. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.